Welcome to the Moiboo Service Advisor Dashboard, your command center for managing daily workshop operations with complete visibility, all in one place. Today's appointments tracks total appointments scheduled for the day, including upcoming ones. Jobs created, MTD, shows total jobs opened month to date, along with percentage growth compared to the previous month. Jobs in progress displays the current number of active jobs being worked on. Jobs completed, MTD, total jobs finished during the current month compared against last month's performance. Pending approvals highlights jobs currently awaiting estimate approval from customers or managers. Visualizes the distribution of all active jobs in the workshop by stage. Check-in, vehicles checked in and waiting for diagnosis. Diagnosis, estimate, vehicles currently undergoing inspection or estimate creation. Waiting for approval, estimate submitted and awaiting customer sign-off. In progress, jobs actively being worked on by mechanics. QC, final check, completed repairs undergoing quality control checks. Ready for delivery, vehicles cleared and waiting for customer pickup. B, live mechanic dashboard. Monitors assigned workloads across individual technicians in real time. Mechanic name, job numbers, lists active jobs assigned to each technician. Status breakdown tracks jobs per mechanic across jobs assigned, in progress, awaiting QC, and ready to deliver. C, mechanic utilization. Displays overall labor efficiency for the selected period. Average utilization rate, percentage, of available workshop hours spent on billable labor. Key metrics shows total mechanics, total billable hours generated, and total available capacity hours. Technician performance link allows quick access to detailed technician analytics. Performance and revenue widgets. E, timely job deliveries, MTD, tracks on-time delivery performance to measure customer satisfaction. On-time, percentage of jobs delivered by the estimated deadline. Delayed, breached, percentage of jobs delivered or past deadline. B, feedback consolidation by technician. Tracks quality of work and customer satisfaction scores for individual mechanics. Displays jobs completed, average rating, 5 stars, and performance trends, up, down, or neutral. C, top 5 services by revenue, highlights your top revenue generating repair services for the month, such as general service, engine repair, brake service, AC service, electrical repair. 4, quick actions toolbar. Located at the bottom of the dashboard, the action buttons allow you to perform core daily operations without navigating. Plus new job card, create a new service job card for a walk-in or appointment. Create estimate, draft a cost estimate for parts and labor. Approve estimate, process customer estimate approvals. Customer lookup, search for existing customer history and vehicle details. Appointment booking, schedule a new service appointment. Follow-up list, view pending customer follow-ups and communications.